You're rushing out the door and realizing you've got that critical project deadline looming in just an hour, but your current rig is slowing you down. You're stuck in a vicious cycle, constantly juggling multiple tasks on your old desktop, while your creative potential is being held back by a sluggish processor and outdated software. That's where the HP OmniStudio X32 comes in, the ultimate game changer for anyone fed up with mediocre performance and cluttered workspaces. This beast of a machine is designed to fuel your productivity, empowering you to tackle even the most daunting tasks with ease and confidence. The heart of this powerhouse lies in its Intel Core Ultra 7 258V 1.40 GHz processor, boasting an impressive 24MB smart cache and turbo boost capabilities that unlock speeds of up to 4.80 GHz. This means you'll be able to crunch numbers, render graphics, and tackle complex projects with lightning-fast speed and accuracy. But what really sets the HP OmniStudio X32 apart is its comprehensive suite of features and specs. Take the stunning 31.5-inch 4K UHD IPS display. For instance, this baby boasts a whopping 3840 by 2160 resolution, making it perfect for graphic designers, video editors, and anyone who wants to make a lasting impression. Or consider the AI-powered graphics that come bundled with this beast, courtesy of Intel Arc Graphics. With these cutting-edge visuals, you'll be able to create stunning animations, intricate models, and breathtaking renderings that will leave your colleagues green with envy. But it's not just about raw power. The HP OmniStudio X32 is also designed with practicality in mind. The built-in Realtek Gigabit Ethernet NIC ensures seamless connectivity, while the Intel Wi-Fi 7B 200, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.4 wireless cards provide reliable coverage for your home office or mobile workspace. And let's not forget about storage. This machine comes equipped with a snappy 4TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD that will have you transferring files faster than ever before, ensuring that you're always one step ahead of the competition. But what really gets me excited is how this incredible machine tackles the everyday pain points we all face when working from home. Say goodbye to cluttered workspaces and hello to a sleek, modern design that lets you focus on your craft without distractions. Imagine using this very machine tomorrow morning to tackle that critical project deadline, feeling confident in your abilities, knowing that you have the power to deliver exceptional results. That's what the HP OmniStudio X32 offers, and I can honestly say it's been a total game changer for my own workflow. Want to experience the same boost in productivity and creativity for yourself? Click the link below to get your hands on this incredible machine. Trust me, you won't regret it.